n is this. So find out the sum of the digit of n. In general formula is 9 is 9. If this is the k, so we can write the 10 to the power k minus 1. This is the general formula. You can write this. So there is the n is equal to, this is 9. So there is the k is, so we can write there is the 1. So this is the 1 minus this. And this is the 2. So this is 10 square minus 1. And there is a 3. So this is 3 digit. So this we can write this. And there is 24. So you can write the 24 minus 1. And now, so there you can write the 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, and there is the 10 to the power 3, and this way we can write the 10 to the power 24. 200 of so we can write the 10 to the power or 2024. And this is, we can write this all, and this is the minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 this way. So there is the minus 1 is the, before this one. So now if 10 square is 10, 10 to the power 1 is 10, and this 10 to square is 100. 100 plus 10 is, we know this is plus. If this is 2 plus, so there is the 1 and 0. This is the 10 and this is the, so 2 digit is plus. So this is the 1 and 0. So this type, this is 24. So we can write this is the 1 and this type the 1. So this total digits is 4. This is 0. And there is the minus this. And now there, this is the minus here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this type 4 is taken. This is 4, 0. And this is the minus. This is 24. So 4 digits we take from here. And this is the value is 09086. So 4 digits is cut here. So 24 minus 4 is 22. So there is the 1 and this is the digits is 2020. And this is the 4 and 0. So this is the value of this. So value is 9086. So n is this. So sum of digits. So we can write this is the 1 is this, then the 0, then the 9, then the 0, and then the 8, then the 6. So there is the value is this, and this is the 9 plus 8 is 17, and 6 23. So and there is the 2020, and this is the 23. So 2043. So sum of the digits of n is this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.